Salvete omnes! Let's continue with a new section of the Aeneid, Book 1. Dum Dardaniae Neae mirando videntur, dum stupet obtutu quaeret de fixus in uno, regina ad templum forma pulcherem ad Aedo, incessit magna juvenem stipante caterva. While these things appear miraculous to the Dardanian Aeneas, while he stands amazed, and he clings, having been fixed with his gaze on one. The queen marched towards the temple, Dido, most beautiful in form, with a great crowd of young men crowding around. Here we have an ablative absolute, magna caterva stipante, with a great crowd crowding around. And here we have Dido, most beautiful in form. Here's an ablative of respect, forma, ablative of respect, most beautiful with respect to her form. The queen, Dido, most beautiful, marched towards the temple. So here we have the introduction of Dido, and she's so beautiful. There's a crowd of young men forming to look at her beauty, and she's the queen, and she's coming to the temple to do her queenly duties. Up here we have Dardanian Aeneas. Dardanian is another word for Trojan, and so these things appear miraculous to him. Before this scene, Aeneas was looking at a huge mural of the Trojan War, and he was marveling at it, and he's still just in shock and admiration of Carthage. And now he's going to be in admiration of its queen.